So I'm going to be talking about the social classes, the trade in products, and the writing of Egypt and Nubia. The social classes were basically hierarchy. The pharaoh was on top, the supreme leader. Then it'd be the government and the military who would have different jobs, who were mostly men. And at the bottom of the pyramid, you would have peasants and slaves. An example of a high-ranking woman was Queen Hatshepsut. She ruled as a pharaoh, surprisingly. And the cities they ruled were really wealthy, and that's what made the social class so structured. And to trade in products, it was mostly bronze and iron. There wasn't really anything else. Bronze dominated northern Egypt because southern Egypt only had iron because they had limited access to bronze because bronze was so expensive. It was mostly made during the 17th century in Lower Egypt because Nubia can only afford iron and that was what resources was there. And they got iron from Anatolia. There's mostly trade between Nubia and Egypt because they were right next to each other, but they would trade African goods like pottery and slaves and honey. And when they would trade, they'd use donkey pulling carts or they'd sail up and down the Nile. And for their education or their writing and how they communicated, they used hieroglyphics first. And they soon replaced it with the Greek alphabet because it was much easier, the papyrus script. And if you had a good education and stuff, you probably lived a good life, like scribes. They lived lavishly because they could write and they had an education.